With the dip tube correctly aligned in the tank, the specialist is installing approximately 18 1/4" by 20 stainless steel screws into the plate. This, however, was preceded by adding 3M 5200 sealant and a gasket the specialist made of pure Honduran cork or something like that. And we're now torquing the plate down, and we will wait until the next time we're at sea with a full holding tank and a lot of waves to see if it leaks. But until then, we believe that the situation now is well in hand. Over and out.